Okay, boys and girls, gentlemen and ladies, people of Earth. Look at here. Ho! Nippy. Now we're gonna start a fire. I'm gonna try to show y'all how we do fire in here. We in a hurry for warmth. Yes, sir. Let's see. That's the asphalt right there. Look at that. Get a piece of cardboard here. Keep my kindling. Sinking. We'll put a backlog, and we're gonna double up on the backlog. See what I'm doing? I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm double stacking those. We're gonna put the that's a 2-foot. This thing takes 24-inch wood. All right, now we need some rich light. Here we go, little buddy. Put your foot on the end of that, or it's gonna fly all over the place. Yeah, red light right there, baby. I'm tired of waking up early. Oh, y'all, it ain't never seen rich light. Cursing every man, woman, and child on the interstate. For your entertainment and enjoyment, have some rich lighter. You gotta be careful when you're handling this stuff. It will drip. Get it up like this and it drips on you. Light this baby up. Son, do you know where you're gonna go? Here. You notice this wrist lighter, it wants to burn one way. Usually. One side likes to burn. That's the way the sap's running in it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We're gonna put this piece right here. Oh yes, sir. Oh yeah, we'll put this one right here. We'll come over here in the kindling pile. Get some kindling. Lay him in here. Just like so. Like I say, we're building a fire here. Let's go back out here on the porch and get some dry oak going there. There we go. Throw me a piece of dry oak on here. Chunk. There we go. You gotta have dry, and you gotta have green wood. Or creosote will build up so bad in your chimney and your pipe, it won't even pull anymore. Know what I'm saying, Byron? Now watch this. We'll get a piece of bark. Throw some bark in here. We're gonna put another piece of dry, starting to smoke. We've been in what we call a shag nasty fire, named after Mr. Sherman Whittington. And Mr. Sherman built a fire in his fireplace. It was stacked all the way. Damn it, boy. It'll die right here. Asphyxiated. Close that off. Open this son bitch up. How? We're gonna have heat here in a minute. Let's see what we got in here. Know what that is. Looking for scratching for headlights here. See what the temperature is. Temperature in here right now is 50. Looks like about 52, 53. Let's see what it is out here at the weather center. Man, I got wood to cut yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Let's see. 40. 4, about 45 degrees. About 53 in there. About 10 degrees. I'm gonna, well, you know, do the math. Beats the hell out of standing out here in this breeze and this cold weather. It's nice, you know, already. We've only just begun, ladies and gentlemen. I shall return.